Hey everyone, it's Riley and Christy from the marketing department. We're here today to talk to you about contactless cards. We're going to discuss what it is and how they work. So, what is a contactless card? A contactless card is a faster way to pay with your debit and/or credit card for purchases at participating stores. Instead of having to swipe or insert your card, simply wave or tap your card on the contactless terminal and pay without having to enter a PIN. So how does it work? A contactless card uses radio frequency identification technology. This allows the card to communicate with the card reader when the card is held near the reader during a transaction. When you hold your contactless card near the reader, it will securely authenticate the card information. At this point, your transaction will be complete. So how do you know if the store you're at accepts a contactless card? All you have to do is look for this symbol, and if they have it, then your next step is just to tap your card and complete your transaction. There are many benefits to switching to a contactless card, such as more secure payments. Every contactless transaction includes a one-time code that prevents counterfeit fraud. Convenience. Your contactless card is like having exact change wherever you go, but even faster and more convenient than cash. And it's clean. Contactless cards reduce touch points. In most cases, you will not need to enter your PIN or sign, which means no touching of the card reader. If you have any questions, you can contact us at 920-882-4800. Thanks for watching. Christy and I will be back again soon with more tutorial videos.